Just a pilot in his cockpit seated. Black leather on his ass, keep a hustler heated.
Good morning, everybody. I am here in beautiful Freeport, Texas, right by the water. There's the water. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go check on the Charger. Not right now, but this evening. We're gonna check on the Charger and give them the catch can. I didn't get a chance to do it yesterday. I was busy with work until late, and they were like practically closed before I even got off. So that didn't happen, but today's another day. So I got the Accord here. And it is a lot warmer today, 62 out. And one of the first things that I wouldn't say I struggle with this car, but is just kind of an annoyance, is it doesn't have a backup camera. And that's just something I've gotten completely used to. I think all of my cars have had backup cameras since 2006 when I had the Prius. Actually, no, they didn't. My Mustang didn't. So yeah, I guess I drove around without a backup camera for a while. I just forgot. Recently, I've only had backup cameras, so got kind of used to it. Yeah, here we are in Freeport, and this is a cool area. If you'll notice, all the houses are up on stilts and high off the ground because this is coastal. And if there's any hurricanes or anything like that, a storm surge can rise and it would flood all the homes. But these homes are all built to a very high code of hurricane resistance and obviously high off the ground. And they actually have to be built that way in order to get a decent price insurance. And it might even be part of the law. This is also an interesting city because during the winter time frame, the population actually drops like in half or less. And in the summer, it's a popular tourist destination. A lot of people come to the beach. A lot of people stay at the beach houses over here. So a good portion of the properties over here are rentals. Daiquiris to go. So as you know, Texas is big on oil and gas and just general industrial type stuff like that. You can see here, there's a whole bunch of plants and all that out there. So I'm here in beautiful downtown Houston, just got off of work. So I am heading to the shop and it looks like I will be there in about 40 minutes. So I am here at Sirius HP. Gotta go check on the car. Oh, almost forgot. Got this package from JLT. Cool. So it wasn't in the jacket, huh?
No, I looked all through the jacket.
Damn it.
Even the hidden pockets. So, nothing he didn't need it. We're going to do the drop-in fuel pump.
Oh, okay. You're not going to do the booster pump?
Right. So the booster pump's for back order.
Oh, okay.
And I had the drop-in pump on the shelf. I'm not going to charge you anything for it.
Okay.
You know, so,
thank you.
I didn't want to wait another 3 days or anything.
Yeah, I would have taken the car seats out if I realized you needed to get in there.
What's that?
I would have taken the car seats out.
Oh, that's all good. I didn't even think about it until I was like, man, where are those boost pumps? Because I usually order 6 at a time, and be like, oh, we're waiting on a piece to finish the package this into. And I was like, what are we looking at? And they're like, it'll be like mid next week. That's not a problem, right? I was like, yeah, that's a bit of a problem.
Yeah.
I used 3 of them this week, and I was like, well, okay, well, I've got the dropping pump.
Okay, so it's all done. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, you can see it in there. Pretty big intercooler. Looks really good.
Yeah, it's massive.
Oh, you did it. You did it quick.
Yeah, well, last year I worked for Procharger for 5 years. Helped develop kits and stuff. So he's very quick at it.
Yeah, it looks
It
good.
takes him, about 10 hours to do the complete install up front.
All right, so just waiting on the
pod, which should be here in the morning, and then we'll go ahead and install the catch can in there, and then the PCM. So hopefully the PCM will be here tomorrow. So I shipped that off right away, so they've had it. They got it this morning at about 10 o'clock. I got the confirmation of that. So yeah, if all goes well, we'll have the PCM back tomorrow and be able to rock and roll, put it on the dyno.
All right, cool. Do you know around what time you were going to put it on the dyno?
It depends on what time we get the PCM. So most shipments come in at about 11 for UPS, and usually about noon for FedEx. I'm not sure which way they're going to ship it, whoever's the most available. So what I can do is, as soon as I have the PCM, I'll give you a call, because there's some stuff we have to do before it even goes on the dyno, like the startup tuning and stuff. I can call you before it goes on the dyno, that way you can kind of schedule to come see it. In worst case scenario, if you need, like, say, work or whatever, I'll just leave it on the dyno until you're out of work and you come up here, take videos of it and all that.
Yeah, perfect.
So it's a good 4 to 6 hour process for the tuning.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. You can do it all, and if I can just be here for like the last pull or two, that would be fine. So yeah.
I'll even let you see what he's actually changing and all that stuff. That's the more interesting stuff to do with the laptop.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It might look like magic. It's really not.
Yeah, just make it conservative.
Oh, for sure.
If this thing blows up, then I'm gonna get a billion told you so's from all the people online.
No, we're not gonna blow the internet.
No, I know. I just.
And that 650 is a conservative number for us. Like, that's where we found it's a safe level. So it's going to be, 630, 650, depending on the temperature of the car, humidity, everything else.
Okay.
So what it'll actually show on the dyno. So, in colder weather it'll show more, and in hotter weather it'll show a little bit less. It'll be right around that range.
All right. Well, I think we're good. I just wanted to drop that off and take a look, and there wasn't much for me. Well, not that there's not much for me to see, but it's all done.
Yeah, no, I was hoping you were going to show up yesterday. So
yeah, no, I wanted
the
to.
front was still off and everything
But
else.
I got off work so late that it was.
Nope. And I got to shoot you pictures. I figured you would want those before we put the front on all that stuff.
Oh, you took some?
Yeah.
So here it is. It is supercharged. Just waiting on PCM and the final wiring on the gauges and a tune. But it looks really good. Okay, so that's that. It's looking good. They he met what he said. He said he would have it completely installed by Wednesday, the supercharger itself, and it is. So my hat's off. I mean, everything looks really good. One other thing to note, instead of the booster pump, he's putting an upgraded fuel pump. And the reason for that is the booster pumps were back ordered. So rather than delay the install till, it would have just been till like next Monday, I think. Rather than do that, he just put an upgraded fuel pump, which is actually more expensive than the booster pump, but he's just throwing it in for free just because he couldn't get the other ones in. So definitely good. I always like when a business does that, you know, doesn't put a delay on the customer, you know, a delay on their end, even though it would be completely reasonable to do so. It's always nice. But anyway, I think that's that. Everything looks good, and I'm looking forward to actually picking it up and driving it. We're gonna try to work it out so I can get in here to be a part of the tuning process, so just so I can watch it and stuff. So we're gonna try to coordinate that. So that might delay it a little bit because he's kind of got to wait for me, but I'm perfectly fine with that. I didn't plan on getting it back till next week. It'll actually honestly be a pain in the ass if I have to pick it up this week, because then I'll have to figure out a ride and all that. So not a big deal. I'm not complaining. Anyway, I think that is it for now, and I'll try to get this uploaded tonight. So don't want to make it too long, just so everybody can see the progress. And I think that's it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram for other updates. Peace.
Just a pilot in his cockpit seated. Black leather on his ass, keep a hustler heated. Weed is engaged in the pavement. Rubber escorts like I'm seeking arrangement. Push the gas, escalate the gauges, escalate hits on the cam girls' pages, blazes, and hit them with a script full of sexy phrases.